Hello, my name's Brantley. I'm going to quickly show you how to install the ScreenCast keys add-on for Blender3D. It used to come with the older versions, but now it's a downloadable Python script that you can download and install into the Blender software and then enable the add-on. The link in the description of this video is where you can download the Python script. I didn't create it. The link is just there for your convenience. So once you go to that link and download the Python script, save it where you know it's at, and you can open up your Blender program. You're going to go to File, and you're going to go to User Preferences right here. Once you're here on the screen, you might be on the interface screen, you can go to the Add-ons tab at the top. Once you're here on the Add-ons tab, you can click Install Add-on from File. You're going to click that, and then you're going to navigate to where you saved the file, which mine's in the Downloads folder. Space View3D Screencast Keys.py. It's a Python script. So mine's already installed, so I'm just going to click Cancel, but you'd click that and say Open. And then you're going to have your list of add-ons, and you're going to be able to find your 3D View Screencast Keys add-on. You can then check mark the box, and then it's enabled at that point and you can use it. The location's the 3D View toolbar, which I'll show you. Properties panel, Screencast keys. So you can save your user settings and exit out of your user preferences, and then you're gonna go ahead and press N on your keyboard to pull up your 3D View toolbar, and you're gonna scroll down to the very bottom to where it says Screencast keys, and you're going to click this little black arrow if yours isn't already open, and you're going to say Start Display. And once you click that, you're going to notice over here a little mouse pop up in the bottom left corner, and as you use different clicks and things will light up when you click a letter, you can see that it pops up in, putting the toolbar away. And there you go. That's how you enable the Screencast keys add-on, and hope you enjoyed this.